Come to me, for theirs is the kingdom of God. They are to tell us about their innocent heart that keeps them from all wicked acts. They are blind, even with the two good eyes, those who don't see the tender love in the eyes of a child. They are deaf, even with the two good ears, those who fail to hear the sweet voice of a child. They are dumb, even with the good voice, those who never tend to speak to a child.
There was a person who really loved all the children with all his heart and left his name as a permanent label in the history of today's date. It is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, also known as Chacha Nehru, stands behind the celebration of a special day for all the children. Esteemed Manager Reverend Father John Dive, respected Principal Reverend Father Arun, Administrator Reverend Father Solomon, Headmistress Sister Kanta, respected Sister Maria, coordinators, teachers, students, and my dear friends, I welcome all of you on behalf of Francalian School of Excellence to the online Children's Day celebration.
Listen to the inner light, it will guide you. Listen to the inner peace, it will feed you. Listen to the inner love, it will transform you. You have to find what sparks a light in you so that you in your own way can illuminate the world.
I humbly invite Father Principal, Administrator, Manager, Headmistress and Sir Patare to kindle the lamp and garland the portrait of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः.
A teacher is the one who lays the basic foundation of all experts. Hence, she has the responsibility to make herself expert in all aspects.
Our fingers that screw your ears, our eyes that stare at you, our words that scold you are on leave today for you to enjoy to the core. With this joy, we are going to dance as a feast to all your eyes.
क्या फूल चढ़ाऊं मैं प्रभु के चरणों में कहाँ कैसे क्या उपहार दूं मैं समझ ना पाऊं चूड़ लाऊं तेरे लिए। थाली में फल फूल लाए हैं हम प्रभु के चरणों में। थाली में फल फूल लाए हैं हम प्रभु के चरणों में।
The role of a teacher and a student in a school is similar to that of a grain and rain from the cloud. All the time, the rain may not be gentle, sometimes harsh too. It is up to the grain to take things for good, to nurture as a fertile plant.
Dear students, it's time for some splashing fun, cheers, and jolly time for everyone because it is Children's Day. May the love and laughter always stay on your face. We always seek various creative ways to teach you something from anything. Today, being your day, we will play your role and make you understand the importance of schooling.
उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा, रोने की वजह कम है, हंसने के बहाने ज्यादा।
Ari, do you know what is the importance of this day?
Today is uniform holiday.
Why?
Since we have all worn colorful dresses, obviously it is uniform holiday.
अरे टीचर कहाँ है?
मुझे क्या पता।
ढूंढ के लाना। तू सिंसियर है, तू जाना।
Good morning, students. Today we will perform the experiment of titration. Move to the chemistry lab. Be careful, children. Don't mix sodium with
मैंने न ये जाना कहीं कोई अफसाना।
अरे आज तो फुटबॉल खेलेंगे।
नहीं, मैं तो आज क्रिकेट खेलूंगा।
हाँ हाँ, तूने तो बहुत 4 और 6 मारे थे लास्ट टाइम। फर्स्ट बॉल में ही आउट हो गया।
अरे चलो 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 चलो।
Wait, we are not going on ground because it is drizzling and your exam are also approaching.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे, कोई रहे ना जब अपना, जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना है तो।
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी, भूख लगी भूख लगी, जोरों की भूख लगी।
किचन से आवाज चिकन उकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन उकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन उकड़ू कू, खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन उकड़ू कू।
अरे यार, मेरा तो खाना भी खत्म नहीं हुआ। मुझे भी भूख लगी है.
So, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now, you repeat.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 beta. Then cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to cos 2 theta. 1 plus 1 equals to 11 नहीं होता बेटा. बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में हम कुल बस मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल 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 मैथ्स में डब्बा मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल मेरा मैथ्स में डब्बा मैथ्स में डब्बा.
ये कितना बोरिंग पीरियड है.
I know, it's a boring period for you. So, I will narrate a story. However, before I do that, let me ask you a question. Can anyone tell me the importance of today?
Today is uniform holiday.
Today is 14th November, Chacha Nehru's birthday, and is celebrated as Children's Day. Yes, dear, you are correct. Today is Chacha Nehru's birthday.
Ma'am, he was known as Chacha Nehru because he loved children and saw the future of India in them.
Now children, listen to the story. Nehruji is strolling in the garden while a lady gardener is working hard in the garden. Her baby is crying. However, she is not able to hear it.
It's a beautiful morning. All the flowers in the garden have blossomed. I can hear a baby cry. Where is it coming from? Where is the mother of the child? She must be working on the ground. She must be a gardener who works there.
Oh, it's that my baby in Chacha Nehru's arm? I can't believe my eyes. Chacha Nehru is holding my baby in his arms. It is a proud moment for me. My baby is being carried by none other than the Prime Minister of India.
Ma'am, please tell us some more stories of Chacha Nehru.
Okay, I will narrate the balloon seller. Chacha Nehru is on a trip of Tamil Nadu. A large crowd gathered to see the great leader. Chacha Nehru spots a balloon seller amongst the crowd.
Mr. Balloon Seller, can you please come here?
In a minute, sir. Why did you call me? Have I done anything wrong, Prime Minister?
No, my dear. I wish to purchase all your balloons.
What will you do with all these balloons?
I want to present a balloon to each child present here.
Okay, sir.
Chacha Nehru's love for children was similar to the colorful balloons he purchased for them. He loved to see all children happy and excited. He believed that these curious children would be India's future leaders.
Peace is not merely the absence of war, it is a state of mind. Lasting peace can come only to peaceful people.
We live in a world that is full of beauty, charm, and adventure. There is no end to the adventures that we can have if only we seek them with our eyes open.
Let us be a little humble. Let us think that the truth may not perhaps be entirely with us.
Failure comes only when we forget our ideals and objectives and principles.
Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and by what one achieves.
चाचा नेहरू प्यारे थे, भारत माता के राज दुलारे थे, देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री थे, स्वतंत्रता के सेनानी थे, बचपन में फूल लगाते थे, हमेशा ही मुस्कुराते थे, बच्चों से प्यार जताते थे, चाचा नेहरू प्यारे थे। बच्चे इनको सदा प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहते। चाचा जी इन बच्चों के बीच बच्चे बनकर रहते हैं। एक गुलाब ही सब पुष्पों में इनको लगता प्यारा, भारत माता का लाल यह सबसे ही था न्यारा। सारे जग को पाठ पढ़ाया शांति और अमन का, भारत माता का मान बढ़ाया था यह ऐसा लाल चमन का। हम भारत के भाल बनेंगे, वीर जवाहर लाल बनेंगे, सीखी तुमसे बहादुरी है, हम दुश्मन के काल बनेंगे। तुमने जो सपने देखे, तुम्हारी यह अभिलाषा साकार करे हम।
Their simple gestures, their warm touch, their loving look with a special gift for learning, and their heart that's full of caring presence. I would like to call Miss Ashna, who is an English teacher for grades 3 and 4, Miss Alfie, who is a maths teacher for grade 4, Miss Mitra, who is a science teacher for grade 3, and Miss Meera J, who is an English teacher for grade 6 in Francalian School of Excellence, to deliver a short message for the children.
A warm good morning to everyone. Respected guest parents, Principal Reverend Father Aaron, Manager Reverend Father John Deve, Administrator Reverend Father Solomon, Pre-Primary Headmistress Sister Kanta, coordinators, teachers, parents, and our most loving children.
First of all, our dear sweet children, we wish you a happy Children's Day.
The celebration of Children's Day reminds you all and us that there is no limit to learn and how to learn. Developing the most valuable skills and creating success for yourself is your ability and efficiency. We as teachers want to remind you that we are with you to help you to learn how to focus, how to maximize your time, how to maximize your memory, how to speed up reading and sharpen brain power to achieve better results, and that too faster.
Every year in the calendar of all schools, November 14 is the most sought after and most awaited day of the children, and it is to be filled with fun and amusement. But this year, due to pandemic COVID-19, our celebration is online. Though we are sad that we are unable to meet you physically, but our prayers and wishes are always with you. The birth anniversary of the independent India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, is celebrated as Children's Day.
But why do we celebrate the birth anniversary of Pandit Nehru as Children's Day? It is very simple. Pandit Nehru was a person who used to spend most of his precious moments with the children and marveled at their innocence. He always used to say that, I may not have time for adults, but I have enough time for children, and wanted to be children's Chacha. That's why even today he is called Chacha Nehru.
This day also reminds everyone to renew their commitment towards the welfare of the children and imbibe the qualities of childhood. It is said, if an egg is broken by an outside force, life ends. If broken by an inside force, life begins. Great things always begin on the inside. My dear children, you have the power to change and shape the universe. It is important you always consume content that is pushing you forward, giving you the opportunity to create a better quality existence. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said that children have an inside power to create and live on the values of truth, righteousness, and honesty.
The words of Pandit Nehru still today resonates in everyone's heart that the children of today will make the tomorrow's India. Children build the nation sound and strong. We, the Francalians, have recognized the need of the hour to enlighten the mind and hearts of our children with knowledge, wisdom, and charity. We promise you, my dear children, that we will be there for you always to show the light even on the darkest path of your life.
The former Secretary General of the UN, Kofi Annan, said, "There is no great trust more sacred than the one the world holds with children. There is no duty more important than ensuring children's safety and rights are respected."
Yes, my dear children, we, the parents and teachers, work toward the welfare and betterment of your life. So, you have something to remember and nurture. Your responsibility towards your parents, your teachers, and towards your country. This responsibility should make you a better human being and create a better place to live in with the values of truth, righteousness, and honesty.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said, "The small, seemingly insignificant actions you take every moment of every day compound to make your life in the future." Knowing this, we understand how important it is to first be aware of the choices we are making and then to make sure those choices are taking us in a direction we want for our life.
My dear children, you are all in your growing stage. Take the advice and guidance of the elders and teacher in a positive way to make your choices, and then your choices will make you.
That means the habits you build, consciously or unconsciously, run your life. The habits you create then create your results in life in every year. Therefore, the secrets of your success is found in your daily habits and routine.
So, it is a better time to work on yourself. Better time to learn, grow, and develop. There has never been a better time. So start today, start now.
Once again, happy Children's Day.
We have heard birds and animals making sounds. If you listen carefully, you will come to know that they are not sounds, but songs sung by them. It is a great gift for them to speak out only through singing and express their thoughts.
Whereas we human beings have received the greatest gift that we can chirp like an insect, roar like an animal, and sing melodiously like a nightingale. Your teaching nightingales are now ready with their melody.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. You my dear children. It's a
can always teach an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, to be always busy with something, and know how to demand with all his might what you want.
I would like to say to the parents, the greatest gifts you can give to your children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence. Now, I humbly invite our parents, Mr. Tom Biju, Mr. Prashant Chavan, Mrs. Sujitra Dhongale, and Mrs. Ruchira Ghade to deliver a short message for the children.
Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear children, at the outset, let me wish all children a very happy Children's Day. As you all know, we celebrate Children's Day on November 14th every year as a tribute to our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He was fondly known as Chacha Nehru among children. This is not an occasion to celebrate for namesake and forget about the responsibilities of each student. This must be an occasion to increase awareness of rights, care and education of children. This is also a moment for teachers and parents to recollect their responsibilities in catering the needs of the children. The parents and teachers have a moral responsibility to guide our children in right paths. I am happy that our management and teachers are doing a commendable job even in the pandemic situation. Dear children, one should understand the importance of our values that are to be inculcated in our life. Often you misunderstand the effort of teachers and parents is molding your character. I wish and hope that the coming generation will be able to uphold the social, secular and democratic values taught by our beloved Chacha Nehru. Happy Children's Day once again. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. Namaste. Respected principal, teacher, my dear students and parents. Myself Dr. Ruchira Ghade, mother of Ashay Ghade, who is studying in class 3 of your school. It is a great honor for me to be talking with you today in this very great occasion. Today it is very promising event of Children's Day which is celebrated among all of us. As we all agree, children are the bright sunshine of our society. The seeds of the plant that will give the sweet fruit and the future. And they are the reason an organization sees family growth, hold on to each other and stay with the positive, innocent truth of growing with morals. I will like to appreciate the efforts taken by the teachers of the school to start giving online classes at this difficult time of lockdown. As we all know that it is not possible for children to attend the classes at this time, which could result in loss of their studies. But I am really happy by the step taken by the school to continue providing online classes so that even in this time, children can still learn new things and their time is not completely wasted. It was very enlightening experience for the children. As we all know that it is to educate the kids. So extra measures were taken to make it more easy and simpler for them to understand and learn. So thank you for all these efforts taken by the principal, teacher and all other school staff in encouraging children to learn new things in this difficult time. Even while staying at home and taking measures for their bright future. Last but not least, that stay healthy, stay safe by keeping a social distance, wearing a mask and keep washing your hands regularly in this COVID-19 disaster. All the best. Thank you.
Good morning to all, respected father and teachers. I am very glad to celebrate the Children's Day with you all. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to say children are the happiness of the society and home as well as future of the country. Children's Day is not only celebrate for the Nehru's birthday, but also to make the children feel special and loved. A school plays a very vital role in every child's life. A great place where students take education. I am very happy that my both children are studying in Franciscan School of Education. In fact, every education institute has motto for the students while in school and continue to form part and parcel of their lives. When they complete school and find themselves in position to responsibility and discipline. Though there is a pandemic period of COVID, our school has regularly started taking online classes and all curriculum activities with exams. For that, I am very grateful and thank you for the school and school administration. Thank you so much.
A skill to train oneself as a master, mastering a skill to train others as a master. Either of them are not so easy unless and until you gain self-interest, self-confidence, patience, and moreover, continuous practice in the skill.
That sort of skill in dance perfectly match our dance master, who is eagerly waiting to give us just a sample of it with his colleagues. Children, there are no words to describe how special you are.
Happy Children's Day.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ. इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ.
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए. आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशियाँ.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ.
दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए. आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये ज़मीं, थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा, थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशियाँ.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ.
इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए
tall in wisdom. He has a clear vision of our school. He aspires to our school developing children's character. So our children have a sound moral compass that is guided by strong values and ethical behavior. He intends for all the students of Ransalian School of Excellence to develop a healthy lifestyle. He wishes for all students to have the knowledge and skills to make healthy choices socially and with leisure activities.
His aspirations inspire to create, achieve and implement school community through his guidance, leadership and vision. He is none other than our Father Principal. I humbly request our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Arun, to address and give his valuable inputs to our school children.
Good morning, parents, teachers, and students. I, on behalf of FSC staff, wish you, my dear loving children, happy Children's Day. On the occasion of Children's Day, I take this opportunity to address you, the most precious treasures of our country, the future leaders, scientists, doctors, engineers, and teachers. Everybody expects you to bring about radical transformation in the country and also in the world by devising means for development and prosperity for all human beings, by shunning discrimination in the name of caste, color, and creed. So the expectations are very high on you, my dear little friends. Remember, children of your age have done wonders in various fields. Anand Gangadharan, Mohak Bal, the creators of Walkie movie charges, Angad Dharani, creator of first 3D printers in India, and Mark Zuckerberg, the Facebook CEO, created Facebook when he was only just 19. It means he might have started working on this particular project at the age of 14 or 15. So, my dear students, don't underestimate your energy and power just because you are small kids. Success is not related with the age. You'll have to start work right now, as your destination is full of travails which are tougher than it appears. My dear students, always see yourselves as good human beings and nurture the right attitude. Be respectful, responsible, never allow negative thinking influence your personality, as it will always lead you to a wrong path. Be kind and fair to all human beings. Do your work and duty with utmost love and devotion. Never stop learning, focus on your studies, and pray to God to guide you on the right path through which you achieve greatness and optimistic thinking and values. Madam, before I end my speech, I thank the organizers, Sean Sir and Meera Jose Madam, and all the teachers and office staff and technical assistants who worked to make this day a wonderful one. And I also thank the parents for their message and support. Once again, wish you, my dear children, happy Children's Day. God bless you.
Every seed has the potency to sprout. The future tree is hidden in the present seed. A great leader's courage to fulfill comes from passion, not position. Good morning, respected Father Principal,
Manager,
Administrator,
Headmistress Sister Kanta, Sister Maria,
parents, and my dear friends. I, Devang Nambiar,
I, Siddhi Gorki, deem it our privilege to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of FSC and students on this online Children's Day celebration 2020.
On the recollection of so many great favors and blessings, we now, with a high sense of gratitude, offer up our sincere thanks to God Almighty, the Creator and the Preserver.
We extend our sincere thanks to our respected principal for awakening the desires and wonders of the young generation and sharpening the new educational agenda.
Dear Father, your actions inspire others and you explore the possibilities and help us to reach a new horizon. Thank you, Father.
We wish to thank our manager, Reverend Father John Dewey, and Father Solomon, the administrator, for always being an eminent guide and support to our school.
We would be failing in our duty if we do not express our gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for their unconditional love given to us time and again.
Today, we very specially express our magnificent feelings of thanks to Mr. Biju Tom, Mr. Prashant Chabhan, Mrs. Suchitra Dhongle, and Mrs. Ruchira Ghate for their wonderful and brilliant message that has boosted and motivated us.
And thus, I can say that where we stand today is the combination of hard work and efforts, and we know that we can go further with your renewed confidence and support, my dear parents.
Behind every successful program lies the manifold effort of our committed faculty, Meera ma'am and Sean sir.
We thank you. We extend our heartfelt thanks to the teachers who have contributed their might for the day's event.
Thank you, dear teachers. Ashna ma'am,
Genevieve ma'am,
Stewart sir,
Hina ma'am,
Brushali ma'am,
Mitra ma'am,
and Alfie ma'am.
I thank Caroline ma'am and Sina ma'am for the release of school magazine Excellencia on this special day.
This shows the immense involvement and contribution of the students and teachers to bring out the magazine.
At this juncture, we feel privileged to be the part of this institution to celebrate Children's Day.
Our dear teachers have blessed us with their love and care through today's online program.
It is our duty to promise them that we do best in our life. Thank you, dear teachers, for making this day a memorable one. Happy Children's Day.